Now that's cool.
Yes, I got a hoist system for the garage that runs on rails. The box was shipped to my house from Amazon, very nicely packaged. I'm actually very surprised. The rail you have to buy separate. I found it in the local store. It's a U-shaped metal bar, it's 12 feet long. And with the unit out of the box, here's how the installation went, and this is really what it is.
So the rails are installed. Nice sliding. This is the important part. This is the only way that I can connect it to the studs on the ceiling. I couldn't put like actual bolts because this will not clear it. So there's not enough gap over there, so I had to bury those in there. So I have 12 of them holding this entire 12 foot. I have 12 of them. Every 2 feet there is a stud. And hopefully they're gonna hold. These were literally just drilled in, and then drill bit I made a little bit of an indentation so this one can grab on it, but it still be buried so it's flush. And it's up. Now logistically you have to figure out how you're gonna have the wire, because this one travels on this rail. So that's gonna be something that I'll be working on. And if you want to see how it moves, so if you push this one up, it's dead. But if you spin it, then you have Have you wondered how my sarong gets up on the table? Let me show you.